compliment of the season. Happy New Year in advance. So in today's video, today's gonna be my last video for 2017. Woo! So today's video is gonna be all about making vitamin C serum. So I'm gonna show you how I make my vitamin C serum that I use on my face or anywhere I see dark spots on my body, on my skin that I don't like, you know, especially during the summer when you expose yourself to the sun, you know, you have a chance to get like a dark spot that comes from nowhere. Some people call it age spot or liver spot, I don't know, but once I see it, I use my vitamin C to clear it off. So I'm gonna show you how I make my own vitamin C. Okay, so let's get right to the video. So here is my vitamin C. I am using L-ascorbic acid. You can see it. I got this from Lotion Crafter. In case you want to know where I got it from, I got it from Lotion Crafter. So I'm using L-ascorbic acid. Take note, L-ascorbic acid is the best among others. They have a MAP, they have SAP and all those ones, but L-ascorbic is the best out there. Go and make your research and you will find out what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be using L-ascorbic acid and I'm going to be adding ferulic acid also to it. Ferulic acid also is very good on our skin, but I am mixing it with vitamin C, the L-ascorbic acid, because you know L-ascorbic acid, like everybody knows, it changes color and the power weakens according to what they say, but it works on me. I don't know, but my own doesn't change color because I always add ferulic acid to it. So ferulic acid help to extend the power of the L-ascorbic acid, you know. It helps it not to change that color or like reduce the power, the strength, you know. So that's why I always add ferulic acid to it. So to make this, you're gonna need something like this. Then you're gonna need something to stir it. And of course, you're going to need your measurement spoon. So, I'm going to start by, I am making 15%. That's what I make. That's what I use for now. As time goes on, you can increase, you can make 20%, you can make 10%, but I always like to make 15%. So, I'm going to be taking 5 gram of L-ascorbic acid. So here I have 5 grams of my L-ascorbic acid. So I'm going to be using rose water. You can see I'm going to be dissolving this L-ascorbic acid with my rose water, and I'm going to be adding, I'm using 3 teaspoons, but this 3 teaspoons is 5 ml. What I need here is 15 ml, 15 or 17 ml of rose water to dissolve the L-ascorbic acid. So that means I'm going to be adding 3 teaspoons. You can add 3 teaspoons or 3.5, which will give us 17 ml or 15 ml. So here I have the L-ascorbic acid and the rose water in this glass. So it dissolves quickly. That's why I like it. You can see it has already dissolved. Just give it a shake and that's it. It dissolves fast. When it dissolves, you can see it's very clear. The liquid becomes very, very clear. It dissolves faster in rose water. Transfer it here and keep it aside so that you can mix our ferulic acid. Okay? 1 ml or like or just like 0.5 gram of ferulic acid. I'm going to be dissolving it with alcohol. I'm using Smirnoff, so vodka. So I'm just going to add just a little. Let's say about 1 ml of the alcohol, because you don't need too much alcohol so that it doesn't dry off your skin. But we're going to still add glycerin so that it doesn't dry off our skin. So here I have my ferulic, you can see I have my ferulic acid and alcohol in here. So I'm going to stir it until it's fully dissolved. Okay, I'm going to stir it. Use your stir it very well. So the ferulic acid have dissolved. As you can see, it has dissolved very well. So what I do is I add the dissolved. This is our dissolved vitamin C. So I'm going to add it here. Add it to the dissolved ferulic acid. I'm going to stir it. So next I'm going to add my vegetable glycerin to it. You can see. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Then stir it. I'm going to add my HA to it. That is here hyaluronic acid. So I'm going to add it to it. I love this so much. It smooths my face out. It helps my face to glow. I don't make up. I don't apply makeup. It's just this. Not even white powder. I don't apply any white powder on my face. What you are seeing is my natural skin. That's me. All I need is just take care of it and leave it to glow. The only makeup I apply is that eye pencil you are seeing and then my wet lips because of the weather. Then after adding the HA, then give it a good stir. Give every details on my website on how you can make this and all measurements I use. Everything I'm going to leave it on my website. So next I'm going to add vitamin E oil to it. Just few drop of it. Just take a little drop. And I'm gonna stir. So next I'm gonna add my Optifen. Optifen is a preservative, so I'm just gonna add about 4 drops of that. 1, 2, just 4 drops of my preservative to it. If you don't have preservative, don't worry, just make it, but you make sure you refrigerate it. Put it in your refrigerator. So you mix it properly, and there you have your serum. Do you see how mine is different from others you used to see, right? But if you don't want to add all this, you can just make a plain vitamin C and use on your face. It still gives you the same result, I believe. But this is how I used to make mine, okay? So next, I'm going to transfer it into my bottle. please make sure you sterilize your bottle very well. Use alcohol to do that. You see? So here we have it. So this is how I apply it. I apply it before I apply my moisturizer on top. You can see it. But at night, sometimes I just apply it alone, and you can apply it alone and just leave it on. But please, if you are applying this, don't expose yourself to the sun, because vitamin C makes your skin feel sensitive, you know. You see it? So you can just apply only it and just leave it that way. It moisturizes and keep your skin hydrated, because I have the HA in it and the glycerin in it, so that will help keep your skin hydrated. So that's our serum. So that is how to make vitamin C serum. That is how I make my vitamin C serum. You know, I like adding a lot of skin nourishing ingredients to it, because I'm applying it on my skin and it gives me what I want, you know, especially diminishing, you know, like brightening up your skin and keeping your skin hydrated, and also it takes care of wrinkles and fine lines also. Very good at it. So you can try my style and see how it feels on your skin, you know. If you have any question, you can leave it down below and I'll try my best to reply you when I can. And I will see you guys in my next video. Look at my skin, it's still glowing. That will be it for today's video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you next year, okay? Have a blessed, successful, and a happy new year. All right? Bye-bye. Love you all. Thank you all for your support. I really, really appreciate. Mwah.